Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Aliemeen Farhan bin Ramzee, and today I'm going to present for my demo one PSM2 for progress one. So my topic is managing and monitoring supply between dropshipper and supplier based on web-based application. My supervisor is Sir Asri, and then alright, for the first of all the problem background. So the problem start occur when dropshipper place order manually to the supplier when customer make orders. That's the problem. And then the dropshipper send customer information through message applications such as WhatsApp and WeChat. There's no secure website, so they need to use a third application. And then the third one, supplier need to calculate their sale manually. So it waste of time. And then for the proposed solution, I want to create a system that can manage the dropshipper order, and then the system also able to provide dropshipper and supplier their sale monthly through the graph. The system also will centralize the customer information into one system only. So for the project objective, to study the requirement of the system for this system to become a new platform for the supplier and dropshipper to share the news among them without any miscommunication or the customer information. And then to design and develop the new payment system so that the dropshipper can send the order to the supplier without using any platform to avoid some mistake that may lead to the loss of money. And then the last one, to implementing and testing the system to dropshipper and supplier so that the result can be analyzed and improved in the future. So my scope for this project is the system will include with security features such as control access. For example, like some certain function only can be accessed by admin, and then authentication like login, and then the encryption for password in the database. And then the system also can generate graph based on database to check the shipper performance. And then the system allows only two users to use the system, which are dropshipper and supplier. And then supplier can update their product and dropshipper help to sell the product. So that's what we call as stock balance. And then dropshipper will submit order to supplier through the system card. So for this demo one, I already done the login and logout, and then the dropshipper registration, and then card function also finished, and then stock balance or product inventory also done. For report, I still not done yet, but the dashboard already done. And then the management function, like for example, like admin can verify which dropshipper that already verified so that they can use the system. And then the commission function still not done yet. And then the PayPal and bank deposit payment function already done it. So the demonstration, alright, right, alright. So my website, the name is Belida. So this is the card page. This is the home page, right? As you can see, there's a item that the dropshipper can choose. Right, for example, first of all, let we register first. Right. Uh, right. After the dropshipper register, the admin need to log in to their page. Right. This is the dashboard. And then they need to go to the register dropshipper. As you can see here, the one that I just recently registered. So the admin need to change the status so that their status of this account is active. If not, the dropshipper cannot log in to the web page. Right, right, right. Active, huh? So let's log in. Gmail.com. Right. So now, they're already inside this web page, and then the card, for example, like let's see, Sony WH, add to cart, quantity 3, right? So the total price, proceed to checkout. Right, you must have filled up the billing. Alright, this one you need to fill up the dropshipper info and then the customer address. This one is still not changed yet. So you must do it inside the dashboard. Update binding and shipping. Yes, this one. This one supposed only update customer address, but I still not changed it yet lah. Alright. And then for the admin. Alright, let's see. Alright, product management. So the supplier or admin can add a new product and then put it in the future or active tab. As you can see here, for example, like this, they can delete it or edit. Yes. And then for the order management, this one will tell which dropshipper make the order, and then the pay amount, and then if the payment already complete, for example, like they use the bank deposit, the admin can change the status to complete. For example, like this one, you can change it to mark complete. And then the shipping status also can mark complete if already arrived at customer. And then this one is only for the slider. And then this one I already tell you about it. Alright. This one about the dashboard. So supposedly there will be graph, but I still not done yet. That one. Okay. So I already covered the product inventory, stock balance, dashboard function, cart function also done, registration, login, logout, dashboard done, commission. So I still not done the commission function, and also the PayPal and bank deposit payment function already done. For example, we are okay, we log out. We log in as Aiman. Alright. Okay. Oh, so the stock balance, when the customer already pay, the quantity will reduce. For example, like you see, woman dress kurung with roses design. The quantity is 112. So I home. Okay, add to cart. I try by 2. Add to cart. Okay. And then proceed to check out. Alright. And then there's a 2 type payment, PayPal or bank deposit. If PayPal, it will go redirect to the PayPal page, and then you need to log into your account lah. But if you use the bank deposit, you just need to transfer to the account of Bank Islam and then account number. And then after you done, you can include the transaction ID or other information lah about your to verify that it is you that made the transaction. Yes, I think that's all for me. All right, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.